What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So, today we are playing plus one mind per click with my YouTuber friend AG Prayan. Meeting and joining. Pickaxes, there are pickaxes, there aura. Okay, I have max aura. Upgraded. I have to mine everything in the world. Sui. I am 1.5xing. What to do now? 1.5xing. Now I'll go here. Oh, okay. I could get stuff X1 luck. Okay, I'll mind this. Yes. Oh, I could. I got 14 rupees call. Blah, blah, that was so dumb. Try to understand, mate. You are not a dummy. Sell them, get pickaxes, do some stuff. I will mine more, I guess. Yes, I'll mine more. I can pick up what? I could pick up a rare quartz, $900. I'll take it. Backpack is full. Go to surface. Bro, I have many. 1K I have now. Let's go. I will take some more stuff from down and get up to 1.5K pick. Oh, money bag rare 1.3K. There are stuff just lying here and there. Sell stuff. Now I can buy the. I'll buy the 1.5K diamond one. She could dance like that. Speak Spanish. ¿Cómo se llama? Sí, bonita. Sí, because I know how are you walking like. See, guys, see him disconnected. Yeah, fully here. What the hell do you mean about that, bro? Oh, 10K, 10K amethyst. Because I go to the third surface. That's why I got. I'll take this 5K one now. How many to left to rebirth? It is left three more strength to just do a rebirth. I need to rebirth, mate. I need to rebirth. Oh my god, I need to get to leave and just join back. My screen just got half. Yeah, it's normal. It's here. What? Whether you need to just lock it there. I could get plus 1 million strength. I had the yin yang pickaxe. Nah, I'm not just buying nothing. I'm going into X4 luck. 10K. Let's go 10K. I got. Okay, 14K. Claimed loot. I got how much money? 28K. Now I'm 30. No, you have to come and sell. You can go back by clicking on the surface button. That's common sense. You ask questions to be insulted. Oh, I have two rebirths now. I can do the 2x strength now. I have the, I have the rainbow pickaxe. I have the rainbow pickaxe. In stage one, in stage one, I have nothing. I got nothing. There is nothing on stage one. I should go to more down. I should go more down. I could just mine onto this one, and there is nothing, so I have to go back. Uh, now, right now, we will like compare on pickaxes. I think we could compare on pickaxes. What pickaxe do you have right now? I have the rainbow pickaxe. I am mining and mining and mining. No. I'm into the 5x luck one. There is a ruby 8K. No, no. Why they? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, Freddy. Why not said Freddy? Far, far, far. Where is the good stuff like amethyst, here and there, like legendary stuff? There is nothing. Cuffing, then dead to cuff to death. 8K ruby. Okay, I'll take it. It's shit, but I'll take it. To surface now, and I'll sell all. Brother, please, brother, don't try to get that accent like speak in the normal accent. I don't mind. My friend is kind of dumb or something. I think kind of dumb things. But should I buy to extent? It would be unfair with him. Brother, I got something. Brother, I got a crown which is 78K. Isn't that crazy, my man? Isn't that crazy? Huh? Yeah, yeah, whatever. Stay in the dreams, mate. Stay in the dreams. Please. I'll pick up all of these money bags. Just something. There is something. There is something 100K below. 100K, 100K. Brother, my store just got full, but there is something 100K here. No, here, here, down, down, down. Brother, now I have the strawberry elephant pickaxe. Strawberry elephant, no, it's only the strawberry pickaxe. I'll rebirth 3. Now I am rebirth 3. What's your level? What's your level? The written ऊपर strength level. What? No, like this is also written the level, like level 70. Above, top on the your screen, bro. Top and drop. Bottom top. I can get 600K per hit. Are you in the mine somewhere? Where? Oh, legendary crown. Let's go, legendary crown. I got. Nah, bro. I am just a noob person. I don't know how to do stuff. Now I will make my backpack even more bigger. Not for you worth it. It is worth it for me. Brother, skip do rebirths, but also do mine because at the first stage there was like stuff something. I am going here down. I am now here. I should take the amethyst emerald. There are just amethyst emerald and gold coins here. Nothing much. Now I'll take them to sell them. I now have 150K. Now I will buy a flame aura. Bro, I got aura! Yeah, I have 50K now, but I am doing 1 million per click. You would be also. Which? Yeah, yeah, listening, listening, always listening. What do you mean? Brother, you are commanding. I will now do the mining, go down, mining, go down, mining. Bro, Navyash is like my shit person. I could take this stuff. I'll mention down in the description and also do a collab. Collab. Yeah, but we are. नहीं. Oh, नमक देता हूँ वरना ऐसा रख देता हूँ बस वीडियो चल रही है वीडियो चल रही है 2 मिनट